Hi folks, Elaine here with WTI. Our garage got a serious upgrade with 2 solar wall lanterns by HULPPRE. Now I have gorgeous motion sensor lights when I pull into my driveway. I love how bright they are and they look so elegant with classic lines that illuminate our whole garage and driveway. These wall lanterns are beautiful from every angle, seriously. There are different modes of light with cool or warm light. And I'm very pleased to let the sun power up this light during the day. And it functions perfectly even with outside conditions. HULPPRE packaged these lanterns with great care and even gave 2 remotes. One of my favorite features is that it is so easy to install with a simple process of drilling my holes and screwing it to my siding. Now I have amazing lighting. It's a great addition to our garage. Our family loves it, and that's just my point of view.